What are you doing?
I'm buying something. Daddy, you come and work with me. Look, I'm doing work.
Whoa, you are a worker.
Yeah, I'm a worker, man.
Yeah, you want to screw something in?
Yeah.
Oh, where'd it go?
Oh, I'm gonna cut something. Just cut something first. Just cut it.
Let's cut it. Alright. Cut right there. Cut. Ah! You did it.
I want to do it again.
Oh, you want to do it again? Okay, ready? Ah!
And I'm gonna put the screw in.
Alright.
We put the screw in, and that screw.
Show us. Get your screwdriver.
Where was the screw?
Where is it?
Where?
Alright, screw it in.
Screw in.
Other way, righty tighty. There you go. Go.
Come in.
And it's wow, all the way there. You did it.
Yeah.
There was another one that just dropped. Alright.
Listen, asking. I need to.
You want to join them together?
No, I want to cut them. I want to cut this.
Okay. Look over here at Nanny. Cut it. Keep cutting. You're almost through it. Oh, you did it.
I want to do it again.
Alright, let me get a new piece of wood. Alright. Ah, you did it, you silly monkey.
I want to do it again.
Alright, look this way. Oh, wow.
I want to do it again.
Oh, you're almost there. You did it.
I want to do it again.
Alright, that's a big one. How about this one? Ding.
It's your turn.
My turn, thank you.
This is so big. Okay. It's my turn.
Oh, it's your turn now. You want a big one? Ah! Wow, that was the best one. Oh, wow.
I want to do it again.
Well, let's play with something else. Have you played with this C-clamp before?
What is it?
Look.
Can I put that?
You go like this. Ready? And that. And you screw the other way. Screw it down. Keep going. Wow. There you go. Look.
Yeah.
Wow. And now you can go like this and use your triangle, square. Make sure everything's all up to shape.
We need cut it.
And you can cut it. Should we bang something in there?
Yeah. I need that. You have it. I'm gonna bang, 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 bang. And you put that in.
Okay, so I'm your assistant. Next. Next.